Okay, so I'm gonna be changing my reborn Winter. This is what she has on right now. She has this bib that says "I love mommy" with a bird and.
We can't see it. You gotta turn the body all the way around. Or take the bib off. Go ahead and take that part off right now. Is it a button one?
Yeah. Okay.
Here, we'll move this up.
And then it has this.
But wait, hold on. Isn't that cute birdie? With the "I love mommy." Okay.
And it has this shirt, flowers, and it has the buttons, and the pants that have ruffles on the button.
You go and show us. Those are cute. Those are the better ruffles. You know how some of them are like the ones.
And then she has these cute white shoes on with the bow.
Yeah, and she has her ears pierced. We'll get earrings later, so we can match with everything. I had to tie a knot in this hair bow because she needs hair bows that'll fit her.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, and she has pink gloves on also. Now show the outfit what she's going to be wearing.
So she's going to be wearing this gray onesie.
Which is a preemie.
Yeah, preemie.
Okay.
Is she going to wear these socks?
Yes.
Okay. Then she's going to wear these white socks.
Okay.
Are we going to show the shoes, what she's going to put on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And she's going to put these shoes on.
What do they say on them?
They say Buggy on them.
Okay. And then her
this,
lovey's in the way. You need to put it on the other side.
Put it right here. And then this little shirt, this is "I love mommy."
Okay. And then what's the pants?
The pants that go with it.
And I think, are they Carter's or just, what do they say?
They're Carter's.
Okay, so that's Carter's set. Okay, so this is a view of Winter Rain. And I had to put, she wears a preemie, because this is a preemie onesie on her. This doesn't go with this. I just put it on her because it fits her. Because I thought she was, well, it says she's full legs, 3/4 arms, but this body's full arms, 3/4 legs. But anyway, okay, we're going to change her and we'll be back.
Okay, this is Winter now that we got her all changed. I'll show you what she looks like in here. What she got.
Looked like she was flipping me off there for a minute. Look at her finger from over here. That one, because it's just sticking up.
Yeah. Okay, so she got her shoes on. This is Buggy on them. They look so cute on her. And then she got her pants, but they look like sweatpants.
Real quick, I want to mention this because she fits in the preemie onesie,
Yeah.
and this is a newborn outfit. And show them how big the pants are, because you got so much space in there. Move your finger, wiggle your fingers around, up and down like this.
Yeah, it's.
That just shows you how loose it is. So I think she's like a bigger preemie, small newborn, because this is just newborn Carter's from the Carter store.
Yeah, so that proves to you she won't be wearing newborn. Unless it's really huge. Like regular newborn.
And we decided not to do details. That's all we're saying.
We might do details later. But for now.
Anyway, do you want to bring Trevor down and leave her here so they can be together and then you take them up, or what do you want to do? I'm still recording.
Yeah. I'm gonna go get Trevor now.
Okay. I'm gonna turn